Gang, here's a little short video here to show you how to save your roof on your RV and save you a ton of money and bother, so that you don't have to repair or replace the roof. And a lot of these older RVs, this is a 1987 Gulfstream Sunsport, and the vast majority of them had flat roofs, and again, most of them I would say were aluminum. Now, you don't have any problems with aluminum unless you poke a hole in it, and it's not going to leak like a rubber or a fiberglass roof will if you don't coat it with something. But you have to definitely make sure that the caulking is good all the way around everything, around the edges of the roof and around your air conditioners and your vents. But flat roofs do have a tendency to hold water because the roof will kind of sag where your air conditioners are, so you're going to hold water there. And what happens in the wintertime is that it freezes, and when you can get water freezing, you know it can move tons in different directions, and that's why it busts pipes and the whole routine. So if that water freezes up there on that roof around those air conditioners, it's going to either lift the air conditioners a bit or move them just enough that it breaks the caulking loose, and then when the ice turns to water again, it's going to leak, cause you all kind of roof problems. So what I do with a flat roof motorhome, it's got to be stored outside. Of course, if it's stored inside, you don't have to worry about this, but if it does have to be stored outside, this is the simplest thing that you can do. And it's just, I'd say it's just about as good as going out and buying a real expensive cover for the thing, because they're just going to rip in the wind anyhow. But I drive the front end up on some boards, and you can see I got a stack of boards there to get it up to the height of a 6x6. So I got the front wheels up 6 inches. And what that does is it gives you a very, very nice slope towards the back. No water can lay on your roof. When it rains, the water is just going to run right off the back of the roof. And you're not going to puddle. And it's not going to freeze and bust all the caulking and get leaks all over the place. But that is the simplest cotton picking thing that you can do right there. Run it up on some boards and put it up in the air about 6 inches in the front, and let the back dangle down, and you get a nice gentle slope, and the water will run off and save your roof and save you a lot of time and frustration. So this is Wild Bill signing off again. We want to thank our vets all the time. Appreciate everything they do, and hope that this and all my other videos helps you guys out. And again, simplest roof preventative maintenance that you can do on a flat roof RV. Of course, even a rounded roof, it wouldn't hurt, but definitely the flat roofs, because you leave them sit flat and they will puddle and cause you all kind of grief. Well, Bill signing off. Till next time, don't forget to like me and join in my channel and all the other kind of stuff that you do on YouTube to show appreciation for my videos. Thanks.